Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren chaired a meeting with representatives of 16th Finance Commission at CM's Secretariat today. Power Minister Thongam Bishwajit, CAF and PD Minister Leishangtem Sushindro, PWD Minister Govindas Kontojam, Health Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan, Education Minister Thaunao Jamba Kumar, Social Welfare Minister Haikam Dingo, Transport Minister Kashim Vashum, Chief Secretary Vinit Joshi, DGP Rajiv Singh, along with other high-ranking officers of the government attended the meeting. From Commission side, Chairman of 16th Finance Commission Dr. Arvind Panagaria, his wife Amita Panagaria, Secretary S.H. Ritvik Pandey and Member A.N. Jha, Annie George Matthew, Dr. Manoj Pandey, Soumya Kanti Ghosh were present in a meeting which deliberated upon effective utilization of funds provided to the state through centrally sponsored schemes. Discussions were also held on proposals for grant in aids towards development of various sectors and execution of specific projects with the aim to bring an economic transformation in the state. Earlier, the Finance Commission team was given rousing welcome at Chief Minister's bungalow upon their arrival in Imphal yesterday.